Hello, my name is Nicole Twichell, and this is my project proposal presentation titled Condo Renovation. This project proposal was needed due to the huge devastation Hurricane Helene. Hurricane Helene hit the Gulf Coast of Florida around October of 2024. One of the many complexes that were included in the devastation is Condo complex, which is located on Siesta Key Island. Casamar has many units within walking distance of the ocean. Unit 27 is what we will be focusing on for this project proposal. Unit 27 is a studio-sized condo. This will need to be renovated, and the project proposal goes into depth on how it came up to a $20,000 budget. While flood insurance is in the hands of the owners of Unit 27, it is unsure when the costs from the flood insurance companies will be able to grant this amount due to the devastation in the immense capacity that Hurricane Helene devastated. The maximum timeline is 5 weeks. Of course, the sooner the renovation is complete, the sooner renters can begin to stay, which will generate rental income. Here is a brief milestone schedule that is included in the project proposal. During the first week, it would be wise to salvage what can be possibly salvaged after the flooding that occurred. Next, there would have to be remediation of any damages. In week 2, a design plan would be created by Nicole, the owner of Unit 27. Through this design plan, the duration and budget would be able to be set. It would be wise to gather work quotes and hire as soon as possible, as well as buying materials. In week 3 and 4, demolition would begin. Workers would continue to buy materials and do installations as needed and throughout the process. In week 5, there would be a hope that the renovation would be completed and the owner can post the unit on rental websites. Displayed here is the responsibility assignment matrix. It goes into depth on the many steps that have to be completed throughout the process of the renovation, as well as the primary and supporting responsibilities. Displayed here is the quality control plan. Before the project can even begin, there are certain things that must be addressed. It is important for the contractor to know that it is important that the renovation is completed within the defined budget and duration. Additionally, since flood insurance is not granted right away, it is pivotal that the owner has the right amount of previous rental income that can cover costs before flood insurance is granted. There has to be site preparation that is adequate and also safe. Needed materials will have to be available and acquired as soon as possible. Additionally, there is a hope that the contractors and installers and other workers will be able to begin promptly. During the project, especially during the remediation process, it is important that things are salvaged and safely removed during the demolition. Throughout the renovation, it is important that the contractor makes sure that things are properly installed and that the entire project is going within budget. After the project is complete, it is important that the owner ensures that all updates work properly and are additionally up to board codes. Posting updated photos on the rental website will draw in future renters and hopefully increase rental rates. Displayed on this chart are risks that can occur within the renovation process. There could be a high level of damage due to the hurricane. There could be labor shortages and high material costs due to many people on the hunt to go through a renovation. Safety hazards are always a concern. Unforbidden site conditions, chemical exposures, plumbing and electrical issues, code violations, issues with flood insurance, failed inspection, and low clientele and high competition could occur. Listed here are some workers' rates. The contractor would cost about $400 an hour. Installers is expected to cost $130.70 an hour. Plumber, $30 an hour, while the electrician is $20 an hour. The crew would be about $130 an hour. Inspector, $10 an hour. And any additional materials that aren't already lumped in with the corresponding worker would be an additional $150. The Gantt chart below takes the detailed steps of the condo renovation, first with the remediation process, the planning process, demolition, installation, inspection, and rental details are listed, as well as the number of days expected for each step. On the chart, you will see that the total project is estimated to take 26 days. Next to that are the detailed days, as well as what procedure has to happen for the next one to occur, the people that should be involved with each step, and additionally the amount of hours. This cost overview gives a great summary of the projections of the project proposal. It is estimated that the project will cost $17,550, which is within the $20,000 budget. Additionally, each of the workers are listed and how much they will cost based off of their rates and how many hours their job will be. Next to that are some helpful graphs and charts that summarize the entire project process. This project proposal concludes that the estimated cost for this renovation is $17,550. This is within the $20,000 budget. The expected timeline is 26 days, which is just about 4 weeks. This is within the 5-week deadline. While risks are inevitable, and there is a question of when the flood insurance will be granted, it is fully possible for the owners of Unit 27 to successfully complete this project. Shown in the 2 pictures throughout this presentation are the actual photos of the condominium that will be the site of the renovation. Thank you.